And for more now, I'm joined by journalist Ricardo Perez-Solero. He joins me from the Spanish capital, Madrid. Good evening to you, Ricardo. Spain has now suffered more deaths than China in this pandemic. How close is the country to a health care system collapse?
Good night. There has been calls. I think almost anyone who lives in Madrid have received since middle of the last week warnings from health workers in the social media saying that the hospitals' capacity were overstretching, and now this happens in the whole country. I mean, there's lack of human resources, lack of beds, lack of ventilators, which are vital, lack of equipment for the health workers to protect themselves, like gloves and masks. And today, during the session to extend the state of alarm, there were calls to prepare for cases of post-traumatic stress disorder in health workers. And I think this sort of represents how the situation is right now in Spain.
Yeah, I mean, we can't even imagine what it must be like for the doctors and the nurses. We understand that the government has ordered hundreds of millions of euros worth of medical equipment from China. Spain is also asking NATO for supplies. How soon will those requests be able to make a difference?
Well, even though we're talking about very large batch, and the Minister of Health, Salvador Illa, said that they will arrive in several stages. First, the test at the end of this week, the quick test, more than 5 million, and the ventilators, around 1,000, will arrive in April. And considering that now everyone is working around the clock in the hospitals to increase the capacity, and that the cases increased 20% in the last 24 hours, well, every day counts, and every mask, every glove, every test is important now.
Ricardo, the Health Ministry's emergency coordinator says that the outbreak is reaching its peak in Spain. Is that a fact, or is that more forced optimism? What do you say?
Well, they have been very cautious themselves when they talk about this. They said they said it before that they expect the peak during this week, maybe in the next few days. This estimation is based on the rate of growth of the hospitalized people, which the ministry says is stabilizing somehow. But in any case, they also reminded that even when we reach the peak of cases, that doesn't mean that the stress on the health system is going to be over, because maybe many new cases are going to develop symptoms, and some others make it worse. So it will take a while until the hospitals can actually breathe a little bit, and the medical workers can take a very well-deserved rest. So that's the situation.
Yeah, we certainly do hope that the people on the front line, that they can get some well-deserved rest and get it soon. Ricardo Perez-Solero reporting tonight from Madrid. Ricardo, thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy.